Hi, I am Teacher Dat. 你好，我是 Dat 老师。Let us continue our lesson about the two sounds of the letter L.
The light L and the dark L.
The light L is a flick of the tongue against the back of the upper teeth. L, L. Look at the diagram. L, L. The dark L, on the other hand, is produced when a vowel precedes the letter L. For example, cell. Unlike the light L, where the tongue drops, or it's just like a flick of the tongue, with a dark L, the tongue remains touching the back of the upper teeth for some time. Cell. Most ESL learners usually find pronouncing the L sound in some words a bit difficult because instead of producing the dark L, they produce the light L. For example, cell, tell, call. If they pronounce it using the dark L, it should sound cell, tell, call, tell, call.
Compare. Like, love, language. Cell, pool, ball. Now let us focus on the dark L sounds. Pull, help, ball, will, all, fall, tall, real.
Hello, teachers and mommies. Teach your kids how to read with Heather's First Step Reading books, DVDs, and flashcards.
Over 50 videos, 3 reading books with over 250 pages, and hundreds of flashcards. This program was created by a teacher and a mother. The teacher makes sure the program is fundamentally correct. The mother makes sure this program is fun, engaging, and something children will enjoy and want to keep doing.
Cat, cat, cat. Super.